Hey podcasters, ever feel overwhelmed by the number of platforms you need to manage to get your content out there? Enter Restream, a game changer for anyone looking to simplify and supercharge their podcasting workflow. Today, I'm breaking down why Restream should be your go-to tool. Let's dive in. First off, who's Restream for? Well, practically everyone in the content creation space. Whether you're a seasoned podcaster, a content creator, a business, an educator, or even a gamer, Restream's got something for you. It's designed to help you reach a broader audience and polish up your production quality. All right, now let's talk features. Number 1, multi-streaming. Imagine broadcasting your podcast to YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more at the same time. That's right, you're maximizing reach and engagement without extra effort. Number 2, Live Studio. This feature gives you an intuitive interface for your live streams, complete with customizable layouts and branding options. No need for advanced technical skills. It's all user-friendly. Next up, analytics. Understanding your audience is key, right? Restream provides comprehensive analytics so you can track metrics like viewership, engagement, and platform performance. Optimize your content strategy based on real data. Number 4, chat aggregation. Engage with your audience more effectively by consolidating chats from all your streaming platforms into a single interface. This way, you never miss a comment or question, and your viewer interaction is top-notch. 5, scheduling. Plan and schedule your live streams in advance. Consistency is crucial for building and retaining your audience, and this feature helps you maintain a regular streaming schedule. 6, recording and storage. Restream allows you to record your live streams and store them for future use. Repurpose content, create highlights, or share with those who missed the live broadcast. 7, custom RTMP. For the more advanced users, Restream supports custom RTMP settings, allowing you to stream to platforms that aren't natively supported by Restream. 8, team collaboration. Need to work with a team? Restream lets you grant access to multiple users, making it perfect for businesses and organizations managing live streams together. Finally, integrations. Restream integrates seamlessly with popular tools like OBS Studio, Zoom, and Slack. This enhances your workflow and productivity by connecting with the tools you already use. So there you have it. Restream is packed with features designed to simplify your podcasting and live streaming efforts. It's a game changer that helps you reach a broader audience and improve your production quality. Give it a try and see how it can elevate your content. Thanks for tuning in, and happy podcasting. That's a wrap, folks. I'm out.